Welcome everyone to another highly enjoyed cryptocurrency by the community called BONK. A price prediction for the last days of January 2024, aiming to discover what's happening with this one, which is down by the last 7 days on 22%, guys. Even the last 24 hours are down on 8%, and the whole altcoin market is taking a dip once again, which is something we're looking for discovering which are the levels that are meaningful for us to have the ability to recover and restart a movement towards the upside. Before we get into the topic, make sure to check out the other YouTube video presentations, as well many other educational materials, including me live trading on YouTube Shorts. You can see those. You will be able to see my exchanges in the live trading procedures, as well participate in my trading done for you option number 1 if you would like to join my journey. It is no prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits we achieve. Simple and straightforward, completely outsourced for you for API trading permission. Then the educational mentorship program, the one-on-one coaching directly with me for anyone that is serious about this space and is considering a great alternative for financial freedom, an intensive coaching with me, folks. We'll talk about this at the end. What's happening on the BONK daily candles is basically a situation of another retracement, a double retracement, taking out the liquidity once again from the great momentum we had back in the day at the beginning of 2024. So we are completely dominated by the bears at this time, having another 40% of a retracement, taking out people that are leveraged, taking out people with stop losses. It's just a mess around the futures market of BONK. It's just a mess around the margin and derivatives trading out there for anyone that is involved. It is creating turbulences, especially if you don't know how to trade and you have been longing the markets during the time they were bearish. Then obviously there are big losses and unrealized moments. It was clear basically once you are establishing growth that is wild that the markets are coming down. The idea is that when you are in the momentum of a pump, you always have to be very patient with your shorts, due to the fact that the markets can easily go up for another couple of days but then start retracing, and the retracement of such markets are not going to end quickly. The retracements are actually very aggressive correction impulses, which means, for example, from that top towards this level, we were down for 24 days on 73%. So speaking about cryptocurrencies, which are highly momentum driven and lack of fundamentals as well, a lack of strength, they can retrace 74% in 24 days, guys. So anyone that was having $1 million was actually ending in $270,000 in 24 days, something that is definitely not enjoyable at all. I mean, that's pretty much wild if you are asking me. However, we have to look into the space from the most rational standpoint possible, and there is a momentum here of a possible reaction. Anything in the encircled area is a possible of reaction. What happens basically even below, it's a very strong demand zone, which is in the lower side of the charts, but at the same time, even during now on the price section of 1000, we are having the ability to react, which means that we are also correlated at this time with Ethereum and BTC in terms of the way we're reacting and positioning ourselves very closely in a chain effect with the market behavior generated by them. It's not possible for BONK to see a bounce in the market without having Bitcoin and Ethereum along the way with you. So expect that as a necessity, guys. Now, as soon as we do it, we're not planning to stop basically at 1,300s, 1,250s or so. We would actually expect to cross and get into the first encircle area straight away, which will have the top situated on 1,800s. Then you can basically retrace from there, and you will take out the stops in terms of liquidity and continue basically with the upcoming target. There is another highly inefficient structure at 2,400, which is something we could target. Of course, for January, that would be quite hard to achieve, but at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if we we get to the first target for January, 62% out there. BONK cryptocurrency is one of a kind that does between 25-30% in a good green day for the market, in a good normal bullish day. Not in a day where you have an explosion of this one, but most likely in a good normal day. There's not going to be just downtrending and movements downwards without bouncing backs, because the market gotta take the liquidity from the upside as well and take out some of the shorts without allowing them to become continuously profitable whenever they enter. It's not like that. Markets do go the upside as well, but the problem is that for the longer term, if this cryptocurrency is not having the ability to construct more than just a simple buzz and popularity on a single momentum, then it's gonna go quite deep into the lows. So you are not going to be surprised if we enter in a phase of bearish domination, if that BONK cryptocurrency easily comes back to this structure. Let me share with you to this one, right, which is at price section 385. I mean, that would be from the highs a retracement of 89%. I'm not going to be surprised at all by seeing BONK cryptocurrency over there within the next months. That's all about it, folks. Enjoy, have a good time. Once again, if you would like to be part of my trading, feel free to reach out. As well, for those of you that are interested in intensive private one-on-one coaching with me between 4 to 6 weeks, where intensively you learn how to trade between A to Z, then make sure to check out the video presentation for a detailed explanation. As well, register now for more information. Have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon.